What are you going to do?
Gonna do gymnastics.
Gymnastics?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let me see. Wow! You're pretty good at that. Do it again.
Okay. Bring now and play my guitar. Just go and jump over it.
You're going to jump over your guitar?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. That looks kind of scary to me. I don't think you can jump that far. You be careful. Don't jump on it. Yeah, I don't think you can jump over that, bud. Scoot it closer. Okay, a little bit closer than that. Are you sure? Wow!
I did it, Mom.
Good job.
Want to see again?
Sure. My little gymnast.